build chamber. The base of the chamber is at the bottom at the moment. Unfortunately from this point you're not going to be able to see a lot. Now we're just effectively moving the chamber up into the bed, and that base of the chamber, which is actually this one here, is just going to come up to the top. The base chamber moves up, so that's your bottom of your model. Don't fill my hands. And then we lay powder on top of that, and it's actually the bed that moves down throughout the build. So you're constantly building the top layer of the model, so the model builds up that way. So that now is what was down there, right? So that's moved up, so that's now the base of the chamber. And then what we're going to do when we press go, automatically this happens, these arms are going to come across, and this is what spreads the powder across. Try filming this. This is now feeding powder down from our hoppers up the top. Powder comes down, it just drags it across. That's what it's doing now. We need to lay down like a 7 or 8 mil base of powder. There's a sort of preheating mechanism to heat the powder up to a certain level.
And that's it. And it takes 12 hours?
Well, yeah, it takes about five more minutes to get this done. Then we start heating the machine. The machine is to heat up for 2 hours, and then the build starts. So this is why cooling down is important, because but that's just powder now, and then within that powder is someone's part. And then we literally start to clean that off. And that is somebody's part.
Okay, so what do you do next with this? You just clean off the powder?
Yeah. So this comes off. It's a little bit hot. That powder gets semi-recycled, and then these are the people's parts that are in there.
This is why you don't have to charge for the whole chamber, right?
Yeah. Still quite warm. This has been cooling down for about 2 hours, 3 hours, but still touch. So we bang off the powder, then they go to the cleaning station. It's finished parts.
Wow. And how much does it cost to print this part?
These parts were, I can't remember, probably about £20.
And the material is nylon?
Nylon, yeah. And this will show you now how the base has moved down, and now it's constantly building that top layer of the model. Does that make sense how the process is working?
Yeah.
This doesn't use powder. In that one, this would all be full of powder, right? It's just the laser actually sinters the cross section, whereas this is using lights to photo-cure the material.
What's the smell?
The smell is just the smell of the plastics. Which I quite like, but it tends to get a bit sickly after a while. So this one has been about a 30-hour build. This has been building for about 27 hours.